Hi, I'm Kyle Jorgensen. We're going to introduce you to another one of our machines. This is our PR40, or Pipe Rotator 40-inch. The range of this machine is from 4-inch to 40-inch, so a very wide range in one machine. Now, as you can see, I've got a piece of pipe in the PR40 right now, and I've got two elbows on both ends. Now, I'm able to rotate pipe for welding or fit up. I've got a foot switch that's wired. We can optionally put a remote foot switch or a wireless foot switch. I've also got a speed control. Now, I can use the pipe rotator with some stands. And I could do some pretty long pipe spools with one pipe rotator, especially with some stands to support the weight. Also, if you notice, we're maintaining the same pass height. So if right now I've got maybe 12-inch pipe in there, I could go to say a 30-inch pipe. My pass height wouldn't change. It would change very little, so my stands would be very little adjustment. The advantage of this type of machine. Another thing you can do is tilt. I can tilt it. Now you say, well, why would I want to do this? It's the ergonomics, getting the welder, getting yourself right there where you need to weld. The right weld position. So I got direction of rotation. Capacity of the machine is 6,600 pounds. Now you could do heavier spools with that by using stands, supporting some of the weight. You've got positive and negative tilt both directions. Saves a lot of time, doing this type of work. Easy to set up and load. I think you're all aware. Trying to weld using two pipe spools like this with elbows and trying to hook your welding positioner to it. It's a lot of work. You can quickly load this machine and be welding very quickly. Tilt both directions. Rotation. Nice time-saving machine. Productive. A very productive machine. There's several different sizes. You can notice on our website. But again, this is the PR40, so 4-inch through 40-inch, one machine. The load of this machine up to 6,600 pounds. You can do a lot heavier systems or pipes if you add some pipe stands. Support the weight and spread the weight. But again, you can see very, very versatile, very easy to use. Thank you.